Boom. Imagine a stick of dynamite going off in slow motion. Pieces fly, heat shimmers, your ears ring. Add up every bit of motion, heat, pressure, sound you just felt. That total equals the chemical energy you started with. That's the law of conservation of energy in action. Here's the core idea. In an isolated system, total energy stays constant. It can't be created or destroyed, only transformed or transferred. Chemical to kinetic, electrical to light, potential to motion, but the balance sheet always adds up. A closed system similar, except energy can cross the border. Your house with the thermostat, not isolated, heat flows in and out. Draw a boundary that traps everything. No energy in, no energy out. That's isolated. And the total inside stays locked. Now plot twist. Classically we kept energy and mass in separate buckets. Enter E to MC2. Mass is just highly concentrated energy. In nuclear reactions, a tiny missing mass shows up as released energy. That's nuclear binding energy. Early universe, right after the Big Bang, black holes slowly evaporating via Hawking radiation. So why is this law so bulletproof? Because math says so. Specifically, Noether's theorem. If the laws of physics don't change over time, then energy is conserved. Time translation symmetry, energy conservation. It's not just a rule of thumb, it's a deep symmetry of the universe. What does that kill instantly? Perpetual motion, machines of the first kind. Anything that claims infinite energy with no input. If your device spits out more energy than goes in, you didn't beat physics. You lost track of where the energy's hiding, usually as heat, friction, losses. But hold up, does anything ever break this? In quantum mechanics, no, there still applies, but to the expected value, what you get on average. Randomness can make one event look weird, but when you tally everything, the books close perfectly. On the biggest scales, general relativity adds spice. Energy in a curved, expanding universe is trickier to define, so depending on how you count, it can look like conservation wobbles. That's a bookkeeping problem, not a free energy loophole. Here's the takeaway I use daily. Energy is a storyteller. Track where it starts, where it goes, and what form it takes, and the world gets way less mysterious. Rocket launch. Phone battery fireworks show, you can't get something for nothing. But you can transform everything into something awesome. Energy conserved, mass linked to energy, symmetry behind it all. It's the one law physics can't break. Follow the energy, and the universe starts to make sense. If this clicked, follow for more physics that actually adds up.